Hey there, trading enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to connect Bulenox to Ninjatrader in 2025. If you're into trading, you know Ninjatrader is a powerhouse for charts and strategies, and Bulenox can supercharge it with advanced data feeds and analytics. By the end of this video, you'll have this setup running smoothly, saving you time and boosting your trading efficiency. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both Bulenox and Ninjatrader installed on your computer. If you haven't already, head to the official Bulenox website, download the latest version, and follow the setup wizard. It's straightforward, usually just a few clicks and you're good to go. Once that's done, fire up Ninjatrader and navigate to the Connections tab in the main menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to generate your API keys from Bulenox. Log into your Bulenox account. Go to the Settings section and look for the API Credentials page. Copy those keys carefully. They're your golden ticket. Back in Ninjatrader, click on Add New Connection and select Bulenox from the list of options. Paste in your API keys, then configure any additional settings like data feed preferences or security protocols. Don't forget to choose the right server region for faster performance in 2025. Now, hit that Test Connection button to verify everything's working. If you get a success message, awesome, you're connected. But if not, double-check your keys and ensure your internet connection is stable. A common tip here is to update both programs to their latest versions, as 2025 brings new compatibility updates. Once connected, you can start exploring Bulenox's features within Ninjatrader, like real-time data overlays or custom indicators. It's a game changer for your trading workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I'll see you in the next one.